Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we have something very special for the Challenger. Opening up here from ZL1 Addons. I already have the Challenger up on the race ramps that I just got for Christmas. So if you don't have any of these, you should probably get some. That way you can do some minor work on the car or change the oil if you plan on doing that. If you guys want a link to these exact ones, these actually fit the wide body tires exactly. Take it out. Oh yeah, that's so this is going to be for the, I think my version has the riv nut, because I don't have a threaded cross member.
I got something else in there.
We'll take this, put it over here. Looks pretty nice though. I thought I would have to put it together like the other one that we got.
This looks like you just screw it in place.
Yeah. So this part of it actually doesn't even show. It's just under the car, so it doesn't really matter if there's scratches.
Yeah.
You can get a finished version for more money, but I was like, nah.
Not necessary.
This is what. It's a better kind of material than the last one I had for the Mustang.
Nice.
Right. Yeah. And I don't have to like put holes in it. It's already.
All together.
Yeah. What the heck? This looks way different than the. Oh, they changed it. Okay. So we had a bit of a hiccup. I got the two riv nuts installed. I broke one, so I had to get a different type of riv nut and put it in there, which still worked somehow. So we're good with that. So now the next step is to get all these little bolts, and you want to put the bolts in first, and then put the little plastic piece so it can hold. So if you have someone helping you too, it'll be easier. But that way it doesn't just fall off, and then you won't be able to screw it in. So bolt first and then plastic piece after. Alright, so this doesn't come with instructions, but if you're not cross-threaded, your differential, you're going to need the riv nut tool, 1/4 inch by 20, some 1/4 inch by 20 riv nuts, a Phillips head screwdriver, 13mm wrench, and a power tool. You got to take off these little clips here in the back. So we got 4. We got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're gonna take those off, and you don't need them after that. This we just have to line it up. That one's good. Okay. I see another one. Somewhere over there. I guess line up maybe the last one. So this is what it looks like, all lined up. Definitely works if you have 2 people. One to hold it, and then another one under the car while you go and line it up from the inside right here. You gotta look. Line it up all the way at the end over there, all 4 of them. But once that's on, it's pretty much good to go. I just gotta put on the other bolts down here, line those guys up, and then it's good to go. So we are all done installing the diffuser. If you want to take a look here, this is the finished product. I think it came out very nice. It actually goes with the whole wide body. I'll bring it out right now and see it. You can see under how it looks. Kind of had to bend this part down right here because of my exhaust in the way, so I bent it down with some pliers. But other than that, it still came out good. And also one of these guys, I had a riv nut break on me because I put put too much pressure on it. So I had to make another one with an extra riv nut that I had. So I just used one of these 1/4 inch by 20 riv nut, because the other one that ZL1 Addons gave me broke. And then this is just extra stuff. I didn't use this stuff that came in there. I think they might just be extra, or if you have like the cross-threaded, but I didn't have the cross-threaded. And then you can just discard these after, or save them. I don't think you're gonna need them. They're just the plastic pieces that came off in the first step. So we just put on the diffuser, so I brought it out here so you guys can see what it looks like. You know, it came out pretty nice. Goes with the whole wide body profile, in my opinion. And it's not low enough to like touch the ground unless you have like a really steep driveway. It's pretty it's got some clearance. It's like 5 or 6 inches probably, and this is just stock height. Yeah, if you're thinking about getting one of these Deluxe diffusers, this one actually is nicer because it sticks out more. The other one's a little smaller. So if you have a wide body, it probably looks a little bit better if you get this one. Let me know what you think, if you guys like the diffuser or not. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more mods and car meets that are coming soon. So let me know if you guys like the diffuser down in the comments below. See you later.